How to use Tidio in Shopify. Follow the instructions. Go to Shopify App Store, search for Tidio Live Chat and AI Chatbots, click Add App to install it. Log in or create a Tidio account when prompted to connect your Shopify store to Tidio. In Shopify Admin, go to Online Store Themes Customize, then select App Embeds panel. Turn on the Tidio Chat widget toggle in App Embeds, and click Save to show it on your store. Set up your chat widget's appearance, welcome message, language, and offline settings. Enable Lyro AI in your Tidio dashboard to automatically answer common questions from visitors. Build chatbot flows using templates or the visual editor to automate cart recovery and support. Use the Tidio dashboard to track chats, view performance, and optimize customer engagement. Thank you for watching.